Welcome to our exploration of Diwali, the Festival of Lights, a celebration that illuminates hearts and homes across the globe. Diwali is more than just a festival. It's a tapestry of stories, traditions, and spiritual significance woven through centuries. Today, we delve into the vibrant narratives and customs that make Diwali a cherished occasion. Let's begin with the stories that form the backbone of Diwali. One of the most beloved tales is that of Lord Rama, a revered figure in Hindu mythology. After a long and arduous battle, Lord Rama triumphed over the demon king Ravana, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. His return to Ayodhya was celebrated with the lighting of oil lamps, or Diyas, marking the triumph of light over darkness. In another legend, we find the story of Lord Krishna, who vanquished the demon Naraka, liberating 16,100 captive princesses. This tale, too, echoes the theme of victory and liberation, reinforcing the essence of Diwali as a celebration of overcoming adversity. Diwali is also deeply connected to goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity. On the main day of Diwali, families perform Lakshmi Puja, seeking her blessings for abundance and fortune in the coming year. This ritual underscores the festival's association with prosperity and renewal. But why do we celebrate Diwali? Beyond the stories, Diwali holds profound spiritual significance. It is a time for reflection and renewal, a moment to cleanse the mind and soul. The festival encourages spiritual growth and the shedding of past burdens, inviting a fresh start filled with hope and positivity. Culturally, Diwali is a time of togetherness. Families and friends gather to partake in rituals and prayers, strengthening bonds and fostering a sense of community. Homes are adorned with lights and decorations, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The exchange of gifts and preparation of special foods add to the festive spirit, making Diwali a time of joy and celebration. The celebration of Diwali spans 5 days, each with its unique significance. It begins with Dhanteras, a day dedicated to wealth and prosperity. This is followed by Naraka Chaturdashi, or Choti Diwali, commemorating Lord Krishna's victory over Naraka. The third day is the main festival of Diwali, marked by Lakshmi Puja. Govardhan Puja follows, celebrating Lord Krishna's protection of his devotees by lifting the Govardhan hill. The festival concludes with Bhai Dooj, a day honouring the bond between brothers and sisters. Throughout these days, the theme of light and victory remains constant. Diwali is a reminder that even in the darkest times, light prevails. It is a celebration of resilience, hope, and the enduring human spirit. As we conclude our journey through the stories and traditions of Diwali, we invite you to embrace the festival's message of hope and renewal. Whether you are lighting a diya or sharing a meal with loved ones, may the spirit of Diwali bring joy and prosperity into your life. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Diwali. We hope this journey has illuminated the rich cultural and spiritual tapestry of this beautiful festival. Happy Diwali!